Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to allow camera access on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. So when you open Snapchat, you will see this kind of interface. Here you see that Snapchat is a camera app. To continue, you'll need to allow camera access in settings. So we need to allow camera access, otherwise your Snapchat is not gonna work. So let's tap on open setting button. When you tap on open setting button, it will navigate you to the setting page where you can see that your camera is not turned on. In order to turn on or allow access to camera, you need to just tap on it and it will turn on. If you again tap on it, then it will again turn off. So in this way you can turn on camera access on your Snapchat. Now go to your Snapchat and you can see that you are able to record a video. Your camera is working well. So in this way you can allow access to camera on Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.